Okay, I'm starting with a wooden puzzle I found at Dollar Tree. The top part with the animal pieces is just, paper glued down, but if you flip it over, you'll see that it's wood. And so I want to make a faux cutting board riser using the handle from a paint store and also some ABC blocks that I found at Dollar Tree as well. After removing the plastic, I pulled the puzzle pieces out and glued them down with Gorilla Wood glue so that once the blocks were added, there would be a level surface and it wouldn't wobble. Then I added the Gorilla Wood glue to the paint stir handle and attached it to the puzzle base. So now that this is dry, I think I want to go ahead and add a few wooden beads from Dollar Tree, the multicolored pack. I think this will look nice, so it's not just straight, the handle, and then this side. I think this will look nice to have the beads here, so I'll go ahead and glue these with the Gorilla Glue and add some tape, and then I can glue my alphabet blocks that I'm going to use as the feet for this riser. But I'm going to glue them obviously on the side with the puzzle pieces. The glue is now dry. So I went ahead and put a tumbling tower block here just for extra support. So I'm going to remove my tape and then I'm going to start to paint. I'm going to do a base coat of white, Applebarrel white, then brush a bit of antique white, and then add a bit of khaki. And I think I want to style this with some nice purple tulips I found at Dollar Tree. Some of their battery operated candles. And since we are getting close to springtime and all of the Easter stuff is popping up, one of their paint it yourself little ceramic bunnies, I think that really will top it off. Nice, cute, fresh look for the spring. I really love this riser. It turned out exactly how I envisioned that it would be, and I can also see making this with some larger beads all the way around and having one without the feet and painting it with chalkboard paint and hanging it on the wall. I mean, there's different variations, and I'm thinking I may make one of those as well, but I'm really happy with this. I love this look. Christmas time, I made this shadow box with these gummies, faux gummies. They're actually pencil grips, and I put a little pine cone in there and this glitter. I do have some left over, and then I figured, you know, I found this candy jar at Dollar Tree that I would take one of them and glue it to the top, and gummies are one of my favorite candies, and fill it with gummies, and that would just be a cute way to use some more of these pencil grips. And they're really nice, soft rubber and the hole for your pencil, but they're so cute and they look like real gummy bears.